Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Evoque D200 Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Seal Silver. Let's start our journey from the front of this wonderful Evoque, where we'll find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. As we venture around this Evoque, we'll see further features which contrast against the exterior paint perfectly, such as your bronze and black bonnet louvres, your black wing mirrors and black side skirts, as it sits proudly on a set of 19-inch gloss dark grey alloys with a diamond turned contrast. To the rear, you'll also notice the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. As we open, the powered tailgate reveals a versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a weekend's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with their ebony perforated leather seats, which alongside their Meridian surround sound system will ensure comfort and entertainment on any length of journey. Glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 12-way driver memory and 10-way passenger heated electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look now at your leather-heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your trip computer, sat-nav and your speed. As we now advance over to your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera, which will ensure parking and navigating this large SUV is like second nature. You'll also be able to access climate control and heated seat functions, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Evoque, which we now have available at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to help you find your next Land Rover.